Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace with 25,878 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS in reverse and has been upgraded with a windscreen. Powered by a 900cc Rotax 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 5.2-gallon fuel capacity, the RYKER has a 120 to 150-mile range. It has a 23.5-inch seat height and a 616-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 330 seconds, the front right at 430 seconds, and the rear at 1030 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the trim. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.